The matter brought up by the honourable member is a serious one. Why? Because we pay our players for being in the national team per day. By policy, government pays 1,000 shillings. 1,000 shillings per day. When they come to camp, we call Michael Olunga from Qatar. He comes to Kenya. While he is in camp in Kenya, by law, he is entitled to 1,000 shillings. And the players cannot give us 1 shilling more. I think he'll speak about it. When we travel away to Zambia, Michael Olunga is entitled to $50 a day, $60 a day when we are away. And our argument was that all of them are great athletes and we have to do something about it. I'm glad, Honorable, that now you bring it and we can discuss it in this way because we can begin to solve it. Secondly, you asked about where we get our funds and how we pay our players. Before we were suspended earlier, Honorable, we had 7 sponsors. Spoke about it earlier. And we were able to pay clubs in the Premier League 5 million shillings plus, which they could use to 10 million, which they could use to supplement the income they have themselves. The minimum salary, then we are requiring the club to have that income in place. And if the club doesn't have the income in place, the club collapses and we even lose the little we had. So today what we do, Honorable, is that we hold on to the little we have as we aspire to raise this and have the conversation. It's a very serious issue because sometimes when you own a club, and I'm privileged to have owned a club before, is that you don't have the money to pay salaries. The broadcaster is putting in 1 billion shillings a year in football in Tanzania. As a result, every month, Chair, a club receives $20,000 from the league in Tanzania. As a result, our own players cross the border and go to Tanzania. Not because they are very high, but because they have privately a broadcaster who is successful that investing in their league. It is not the same here. So we begin to build up and work on it. I'm giving examples to contrast so that we can understand where we are, Honorable.